Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to share something really personal and important with you. Okay, now I'm going to ask you one question that have you ever felt stuck while implementing a new feature or while coding? Right, sounds similar? Had you heard this? Right, I also feel stuck while doing some functionality. But what has happened nowadays? I see a lot of people are commenting on my videos, sir. I'm working on this functionality. I'm trying to solve this problem, but not able to solve this problem. And when I talk to him, when I talk to that student, I came to know that that guy doesn't know the problem solving skills in programming. He knows zero on programming, right? That's not a good thing. You should know the basics problem solving skills, how to solve problem solving skills. And that's a huge problem with the students. Like, they are trying to learn mobile app development, they're trying to web development, but they doesn't know the basics problem solving skills, and which is the one of the most important things. Like, if you're giving an interview, they're gonna ask you some basics level of DSA questions or problem solving skills. Like, why does Google pay a lot of money to the engineers? That's the reason is only the problem solving skills. They are trying to solve a problem and in a coding manner, in a programming. That's why we are launching a 7 days boot camp DSA course where we teach you DSA, like problem solving skills, every day, live from 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. Alright, now before that, let me say you one personal story. When I was just 15 years old, I started learning the mobile app development. Okay, but I was like, watching some videos, I was, building some to-dos app or building some book app or movie app. But I was coding that, I was looking at videos, I was just coding it out, but didn't understand like actually what does the function is doing, like what does program is doing. The reason is that I was not able to understand that because I had not learned the DSA, the basics of DSA, like array, stack, queue, object. What is the object? Like, that's one of the most important crucial stuff of the programming. All right, so that's why we are trying to solve that problem in just 7 days for you guys. Okay, so that's why we are launching this course, a live course, where you're gonna, we have some industry mentors friend as well. One of my friend from JP Morgan, he will also teach you, okay, along with me. Apart from that, we also give you community support. Like, if you get any doubts, you can ask in the community. Okay, so that's why we are launching this course. After that, what else we are going to give? So once you complete this DSA course, problem solving skills, so what we cover in this session, so we cover the, like, starting from the basics of programming, like if condition, loops, array. That's gonna all happen in the one day. And after that, we're gonna focus on the string question, array question, hash map or objects question. After that, we will also teach you stacks, queue. Okay, and once you complete that course of 7 days boot camp, you will feel that, bro, you have learned something. You have spent time at the right place at the right time. Okay, and that's one of the most important things. Like, I will highly recommend it that if you're a college student or if you're someone who has just started learning the coding, who is like really passionate about building apps, building web apps, these should know the basics of DSA. Like, let's suppose if you learn the coding, but if you're giving an interview, they will ask you some DSA question or problem solving skills. They will check that how good in problem solving skills. All right. Now after that, let's talk about that how we can enroll into the course. To enroll in this course, in the in the description box, we had provided URL a full course syllabus. Okay, and if you have any doubts, if you have any questions, you can comment me. All right, I also provide my marketing team number, so you can reach out to him. Any questions, just let me know. Okay, now after that, like how we can enroll to the course, so we had provide a link in the descriptions box. So what you have to do, you have to click on that link. Once you click on that link, you will get a UPI ID or PayPal ID. You have to do a payment, and once you do the payment, you have to send a WhatsApp. The payment is like the payment receipt you have to send on me WhatsApp, and once you send that, you will enroll into the course. So what is the date gonna be? So every Monday, like from today onwards, the next Monday, we're gonna have a weekly batch. Okay, so the first batch is gonna be start from the next Monday. All right, so if there is only one student, I will be teaching you guys, and if there's 100 students, I will be teaching you. And what is the course price gonna be? The course price is like too much minimal, only 1000 rupees for 7 days, or in USD it's gonna be like around 10 to 12 dollar. It's too cheap, guys. And after that, like let's suppose you enroll to the course, but you feel that the course is not good, like it's really which what I was expecting, this it is not that. So we will refund your 100% money without asking any single question if you're not satisfied with our course. All right, so this is all the things. But why I'm so enforcing you to learn the programming problem solving skills, like it really matters. Like you had search a lot on on the YouTube that DSA, but you're not able to understand that, you're not able to get master on that. The reason is that there's a lot of content, there's a lot of resources, but what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna filter that all content which is really important, which is helps you to have a good problem solving skills, which makes you a good problem solver. That's why we are launching this course. All right, now after that, once you complete this course, if you are like if you're learning any technology, or if you're learning but we are teaching this DSA with the JavaScript, because if you're doing the React Native like mobile app development, that helps a lot. But after learning this this course, you will be able to learn any language, like you will be able to learn easily Java, Python. I'm absolutely 100% giving you guarantee that once you grab this course, you will understand the basics fundamental of programming. All right, and that's a really important things, like you get to know the problem solving skill, which really matters. So I would highly recommend you to enroll in the course, and let me know what is your thoughts on this. Is it like I'm telling right or wrong? Okay, and are you facing this problem, right? So which I was saying, like you was able to, you get an idea, but you have to build this kind of functionality, or you have to build this kind of program which do this all this stuff, but you failed. That's why. How do you face this? Let me know in the comment section, and let's solve this problem, and let's learn the problem solving skills. Let me know if you have any questions. I also ping my WhatsApp number. You can text me there, and yeah, let's build up and let's build some projects. All right, guys, thank you. That's all in this video. Bye bye.